Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am RJ, and I'm just doing a brief video on me doing a water tumbler. This is my first time doing a water tumbler. I actually have been doing wine glasses with glitter and using epoxy. So this is kind of an experiment that I'm doing, but if it comes out perfect, then it's a gift to a couple that I've known for a number of years that I've met at church, and they've been such an inspiration to me. And this is just a little something that I'm just showing my appreciation for them. So so I'm gonna show you the tumbler. So here's the tumbler, and it's 16 ounces. I purchased this on Amazon, and it was about $16–17, and I'll leave the link below. So, but here's the box that it came in, and it was a set of 4, and it came packaged real nicely. And here is what it looks like when you take it out of the box, and it has bubble wrap and everything around it to keep it from cracking or even shattering. And it also came with the straws. Now, the only thing I didn't like when I purchased these is that I also thought the straws were acrylic as well, but they're like a they're plastic. They're like a bendable plastic. So, but I'm okay with that. And so this is what the straw looks like. So I'm okay with that. And I got this idea from a lovely lady that is on YouTube, and I just love her videos, and she explains step by step. Her name is Monica, and a shout out to Monica for just posting stuff that people can learn. And I mean, we're all stuck at home, so, and I hope everybody is staying safe. And so I've also did a water slide with this, and I used my, well, it's not mine, it's my niece's. She's not using it, so I'm using it to cut out the lettering for the name. And then I did print and cut feature, where I was able to get this logo and then do a water slide. My first time doing a water slide, and I was actually very excited for it. So again, thank you, Monica. She has her YouTube channel here, Period 6 Designs. I'll leave a link below, so anybody can go check her out, and she's wonderful. So these are the glasses that I've been doing. And this one has the first layer of epoxy on it, and I just sanded. Yeah, I sanded it because it was a bit bumpy. I haven't gotten down to the art where all the bubbles and the dips and the valleys on the first try are out. That's the inside of it. So that is a technique I do not have a gift for. Here's another glass that I'm doing that I am in the middle of prepping. And here is I used permanent marker. I used a Sharpie permanent marker. And you just place it at the height you want, and then you just go around it. And from there, you use painter's tape, any type of low tack tape that would easily come up where you're not pulling up your your glue. In this case, I used Mod Podge glue. So this is the glue that I use. And I was using these sponges to apply it. And after a couple of them, I was looking at them and I realized that even though I use a new sponge with each coat I apply the glitter to, bits of the sponge was coming off and it was leaving, it was being in the epoxy when I do the finish on it. And I went, oh no, I can't have that. So no, I don't use the sponges anymore. So when I was watching Miss Monica's videos, she actually used paintbrushes. And I'm like, okay, let me try the paintbrush and see if that would work. And it worked so much better. So I got these at Michael's for about $10 with I think it was 20% off coupon, something like that. So I really didn't pay that much money. And it's by, I don't know. I believe it's Michael's brand of paintbrushes. And here is a finished glass that I've done, and I've etched it. And this is going to my friend also. They're a lovely couple, and they've just meant so much to me. And this is a little something for both of them to show my appreciation. So if you have friends that you just want to say, you know, I love you, I care for you, here's just something, this would be the perfect gift for them. So, so I'm about to get ready to apply the second coat of epoxy. So here it is. I mixed it. I'm just waiting for it to settle. I don't have the patience to stir slowly like I've seen people stir. I'm not patient like that. So, nope. And so I'm going to apply the second layer and I'll be back. Okay, so I've just applied the second coat of epoxy, and I used, let's see here, I used Amazing Clear Cast Aluminite 2-part epoxy resin, and it's an A and B. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. I used, for both layers, I used 10 millimeters of parts A and B for both coatings. I just hit it with my heat gun. Yes, I have a heat gun. This is my second heat gun that I got, and I got it at Harbor Freight. Oh my goodness. Let me tell y'all, I didn't know anything about Harbor Freight until one of my co-workers, he was telling me about it, and he's like, "You never been to Harbor Freight? I know there's one by you." And sure enough, there's literally one about 10 minutes from where I live. I walked in that store, and it's like a mechanic's paradise. And of course, being a daughter of a mechanic, and that's what I grew around with, because my father, he was a mechanic for the Los Angeles Police Department years ago. He's retired. He's happily retired. And so he would send me to all these different shops and repair places to pick up parts, and just basically I was his gopher. and I didn't mind, because my dad, he's so wonderful. He actually built a car for me from the ground up. All he had was the shell of the car, the body of the car. He got wheels, he painted it, he dropped the engine in it. I had a car for my 18th birthday after I had graduated from high school, which was a long time ago, and that was my treasure card. But anyway, enough of that. But so here it is. So I'm gonna let it sit on the turner. I did get a cup turner because I didn't know how else to do this. So yeah. So it's gonna be on here for about 8 to 12 hours. But I'm about to get ready to leave because I gotta go to my mom's and I gotta go see about her, take care of my mom, and once I get back, it should be set enough for me to take it off the turner, and then I'm going to let it sit for about another 8 to 12 hours, and then it will be ready to go. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I will answer them as quickly as possible. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see everyone in the next video. Bye.